This is the PD22VR Industrial Impact Drill from Ryobi. It's part of the premium range, with high-end parts and mechanisms, cast aluminium gear casing, and an extended guarantee to back the heavy-duty design. A nice design note for right-handed people is the air is only blown out of the right and the bottom of the machine, so never into your face while you're drilling. The powerful 800 watt motor makes it perfect for masonry up to 22 mils, wood up to 40 mils, and steel up to 13 mils. The maximum speed in high gear is 2,700 and in low is 1,350 revolutions per minute. And in hammer mode, it pushes out a maximum of 43,200 blows per minute. It has a solid steel chuck with a capacity of 1.5 to 13 mils and a chuck key that is stored just under the handle. It has a very responsive variable speed trigger with an easy to reach lock-on button. Some other features include the forward and reverse switch, adjustable auxiliary handle, depth stop, 2-meter cable, and carry case. Overall, a powerful and very capable impact drill. Now, this is just one of the impact drills available at Builders. For more product reviews, visit the Builders website or check out the YouTube channel.